everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create and manage product variants in Odoo. Product variants are different variations of a product, such as different sizes, colors, or materials. So to get started, we're going to navigate to our inventory app and we're going to click on products. Here you can view all the existing products and we can create new ones. So to create a new product, we're going to click new. And we're going to add here all of the information because this opens here a new form where we can enter all of the details and products, such as, the name, the type, and the sales price. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to add here lightsaber. Ooh. To create variants for the product, we're going to click on the Variants tab, Attributes and Variants, and we are going to create the variant attributes. We can create here such as size or color, and we can add a variant value such as like small if we want it to be blue, etc. So here in Attributes, we are going to click on the options of color. You're going to add color. And in this case, it's going to be blue, red, green, and purple. All right. So once we have our value set, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click the Configure button. Here you can edit the variant details such as the name and the sales price and any attributes here in the end product templates. So let's say the blue one is going to cost $100 and we're going to go back to our variants. The green one is going to cost $80. The red one is going to be $50. And the purple one is going to be $200. All right, so now if we go ahead and we go to our product, we can go ahead and click on the Variants tab, and you can see here all of the sales prices and all of the information. Here we can adjust the quantity on hand. We can also adjust volume, weight, the packaging, and any other information. And that's it. With Odoo's product variants feature, you can easily create and manage different variations of your products, making it easy for you and your customers to find and purchase the products that they want. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Odoo tutorials for more tips and tricks. Bye!